have an interesting scenario. You're signing up for a subscription plan with a company. Their golden plan is promoted to you heavily. All the features seem very great. However, the drawback is that you're not allowed to use any other companies that provide your service. So you pay for the golden plan, and however, the treatment you get are basic. So you paid for the golden plan, however, you're given basic treatment. Wouldn't feel good, right? However, that's what most of us do, men and women. We ask our partners to be exclusive to us. However, whenever we get those exclusivity rights, we treat them as if they are just one of many. If you're doing this, stop. They do not feel good, and you wouldn't feel good either. Again, the analogy I used, they're paying for a golden plan. However, they're being given the basic features. Okay? Not good. If you're asking someone to be exclusive to you, you should be willing and able to satisfy their sensual needs, their peace of mind. Okay? This whole crap about everybody no want to do this and them no want to do that don't work. Not when you're in a partnership. Okay?